Hey everyone, it's Melissa. Today's video is Empties. Not over the month, over probably several months. I have sat down over the past week to do this video, and after watching everything that's going on in the world, I would just turn off the camera and get back up. I just didn't have the heart to do it, but I'm going to try today. But anyway, like I said, it is Empties, and I have quite a few, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, the first are these washcloths, cleaning double-sided face cloths. They're by the ANE. I did not see how to pronounce it. I looked and looked and said we can't find the proper way to pronounce it. I tried several different places. It's to remove makeup and polish. It's double-sided cleansing cloths. They're muslin and microfiber. I did not like these at all. It just really reinforced how much I like the cloths that I knit. They didn't, it was like twofold. They did not exfoliate like the cloths that I normally use, but then they irritated my skin too. My neck was, and my face was so irritated after using them a few times, I had to quit using it. But it didn't exfoliate as well. It was real odd. I didn't like them. I'm going to use them to clean with. I didn't like them at all. Went through some Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. They're my favorite. The next one is this shampoo. It is Kerastase Shampoo. I really like this shampoo a lot. It really, I would like to use this instead of the Nioxin, but I do have to go back to the Nioxin. It just gives so much body and thickness to my hair and doesn't weigh it down. I really like it a lot, but it is pricey. I do hesitate to buy it very often, but I do like it. I went through an Australian Gold. This is the Tinted Face. I use it on my arms and my upper body and my legs if my legs are showing. But it's just, I like it. It's a 50 and it's tinted, so it just kind of evens out your skin. I like it a lot. I went through another replacement head of my Dermaroller. This is from Sdara, and it is the 2.0 Skin Roller 2.0, 0.25 millimeters. I really like it. And that's what I used to Dermaroll with, and you don't have to replace the whole thing with this. You just pop off the head and you can replace it. So, that's a good thing. Went through another of the Kenra Volume Spray 25. It's my favorite hairspray. I really like it a lot. So, I do have more. I almost finished an air control from Aveda. I still have a little bit in there, but I just don't like it as well as the other that I use. This is a working hairspray, and it's the Fashion Work 12 by Redken. I like it much, much better than the Aveda air control. They're both kind of the same thing. You can kind of set your roots with it, like before you roll your hair or do something with your hair, but I just like this one so much better. But I kind of liked the smell of this, and I kept trying to use it. It's almost gone, but I just didn't like it enough to finish it. And then, of course, I love this one, the Redken. I went through a Glytone Exfoliating Body Lotion. I love it. I have repurchased it. I use it on my chest and on my arms and on my legs. Especially with spring and summer coming up, I'll probably always use it. It really helps with spots. It really helps even your skin out. It really does. I really like this a lot. I use it all over my body every day. Like it. I went through a Shiseido Men cleanser. I love Shiseido cleansers. They've always been my favorite. They discontinued my brightening that I really liked, but I discovered that the Shiseido Men had the same ingredients, so I bought it and it was cheaper. So I really like it. Have already repurchased. I like the healthy deodorant from La Vanilla. If I wear a deodorant, I alternate back and forth between a deodorant and antiperspirant. If I use a deodorant, I like this one. It's just, all the scents are nice, and they just do a good job. My whole family uses it. My kids, both of my kids' families do too. They really like it too. Now, if I want an antiperspirant, I use the Donna Karan Cashmere Mist. I've used it for years. It's a classic to me. I like the scent. And on me, nothing stops the sweat from all this humidity we get in the summertime than this antiperspirant. It is, I love it. It's great. My favorite toothpaste is, no, I shouldn't talk about a toothpaste, but I love this toothpaste. It's the Aqua Fresh Extreme Clean. This one, it's got the whitening action in it. It just whitens better. I tried the red toothpaste and the Crest and all that kind of stuff. Nothing works on my teeth as well as this toothpaste. Everything else, my teeth just get, I drink a lot of coffee and tea, and it just, nothing else takes it off like this. It really does a good job. Oh, this smells really good. This was like a winter one, a Bath and Body Works. It's kind of rubbed off. It's something snickerdoodle. It smells really good. It smells almost like that pear one that they discontinued, and I finally bought all of them that there were to buy. But this one was really good. And when I found, my friend Sandy told me about it, and when I found it, I went out and bought like about 6. I think they had like buy 2, get 1 free, so I bought like 9. But I really like this scent. It's really nice. It's a good scent, so thank you, Sandy. This is the Milani Gloss in Luminoso. I found out about this from my friend Ms. Vicky. Of course, I'll link her channel. It's a really nice gloss. It's got like a pinkish orange tint to it, and it just really, I don't know, it really livens up lipsticks. It's a really, really nice one, so I appreciate that, Vicky. She recommended it. It's a really good one. Okay, the next one is a lipstick. I got it at Ulta several years ago, and I just haven't worn it. It's Kim KW 3 Nude. I just didn't like it. I don't know what to say about it. I just didn't care for it. I didn't think it was flattering on me. Went through another e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. Love it. This is my favorite. Immediately repurchased. Dug around until I got the very last of it where it wouldn't go anymore. This is the color Medium Sand. I love this. It's a good color. It's a good, I can't get any more out. I mean, I just dug and dug and dug. But yeah, I love the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. It's my very favorite. Went through another Lancome Stick Foundation. It is, I mean, I dig it out. I dig it out with a spatula and get as much out of it as I can because it's expensive. I have to admit it has fallen, at least temporarily, into second place behind the Nars, light reflecting foundation that I have on today. I just think this is a beautiful foundation. I've been really tickled with it. And so it has become my favorite for at least for now. So we'll see. But I do have another one of these. It does have its place in my arsenal. So I really like it. I just did a review on this and a test of this. This is the Princess Mascara, the Essence Princess Mascara in the green thing. No. Lash Princess. Yeah, no. I was comparing it with the Superhero, the IT Cosmetics Superhero, and they both sort of smeared on me. I got the little black primer from Estee Lauder. I said I was going to, and I put it underneath my bottom lashes, and this still smears. Nothing stops it from smearing. It's just not a good mascara for me. I know a lot of people really like it, but this is the one in the green thing, but no, it's not a good one on my eyelashes. I bought this when I first started YouTube. It's from e.l.f. It's the tone correcting powder, and I would put it underneath my eyes. And I tried using it again, and I realized how startling, it made my eyes too light under there. That's what it looks like. So I've had it for almost 9 years, so it's time to get rid of it. But no, I didn't repurchase it. I don't even know if they still make it or not. This is my Obagi Blender. I got it on I started using it on 4/20/21. So it lasted a long, long time. I usually ask for my Obagi products. I use 2 of them. And a SkinCeutical. I usually ask for them for my birthday and for Christmas and get them to last for 6 months. That's why I date them. But I have another one. Speaking of the SkinCeuticals, I went through one of them, and I did go ahead. I had a certificate to buy another one that I got for Christmas, so I went ahead and bought another one, and I do have it in there. But this is my very favorite vitamin C serum. It's stupid expensive. It's angrily expensive. It's criminally expensive, but it's so dang good. It really, on my skin, my skin just brightens and tones and just firms up the minute I put this stuff on. Unfortunately, it makes me mad, but I do. So I do ask for it for presents. Warm vanilla sugar. I like this scent. This is Doug's favorite scent of the Bath & Body Works. Very favorite scent. I'm sorry, I'm in a mood. But no, he loves this scent, and you know, I do too. It's a good scent. I went through a Naoxin scalp and hair treatment. With another one of those. I always use this. I have another one. I use it after a Dermaroller. Whether I use the Naoxin shampoo and conditioner or not, or whether I use a regular shampoo and conditioner, I always put this on afterwards. So it is empty. Okay, I've got this in 2013 also, and I'm finally going to get rid of it. It's from Burberry. I remember when I first started, like in 2013, everybody was wearing the Burberry eyeshadows, especially this number 23 Dark Sable. And I got it, and I just didn't like it at all. It's just, you know, it's still got the little pattern in it and everything. I just didn't like it, but it's so old, and I'm not ever going to use it. I bought it because everybody else was using it. I went through some Loreal mascara in the green. Really like their colored mascaras. I like it more than the black. This is the Voluminous Originals. The black kind of smears on me a little bit. The green does slightly, the blue does slightly. The burgundy never smears on me, but I love this mascara. This is a good one. I also went through my Estee Lauder. This is their waterproof. This is the Sumptuous Extreme Waterproof. This is a great mascara. I'm on the IT Cosmetics right now, so I have not repurchased this, but it is a good one. If you like a waterproof mascara, it's a good one. It is not that hard to remove, and it just makes beautiful, long, thick lashes. It's really nice, and it never, ever smears. It's good. I went through another Trish McAvoy eyebrow pencil. This one's in Natural. It's my favorite. You can just draw. It's got, well, you can't, didn't have it. The tip's gone now, but it has a really, you know, fine little pencil thing. You can just draw little fine hairs on. I really like it. It's wonderful, and I got another one. I cleaned out several mascaras that I had open over the past couple of months, and this is the burgundy one from the L'Oreal Voluminous Originals. So it's the one that smears the least. It's really pretty. It's pretty on blue-green, well, any color eyes. It's really nice. And I finished up another little Mary Kay extra emollient night cream that I put on my feet at night. I'm trying another one that Ms. Vicky recommended, so I will talk about it later, but I really do like this. I love the smell. It's an old lady smell. It reminds me of being pregnant with my first child because I would put it on my stomach, and I used Mary Kay then. It was 1975, and Mary Kay just had a few products, and it was just a very simple routine, and you ended it with the extra emollient night cream. You put it on your skin, and it never seemed to break me out, but I really like this. It takes me back. So another one of that. I have others. I bought a whole pack of them, and so I always keep them to put on my feet. So that is it. That is all my empties. It's so nice to get them all gone over because I usually just do them every other month or every 2 or 3 months. And so I can think, oh yeah, that was good. I need to buy that, or I'm glad I didn't repurchase that. You know, it helps me. And I love watching other people's empties too. So take care. Stay safe. Love you all. I sure appreciate you watching so much. Very, very much, and I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.